Hello and welcome to the Ocean Time Marine Safety Management System template. In this video I'll be doing a short introduction on our latest version of the safety template, including an overall tutorial to getting started with your template, customizing it and navigating its contents. So let's start with the technical requirements of the template itself. The template is an interactive PDF designed for use with the free Adobe Reader software and the Adobe Flash Player software. So you'll need to have the latest versions of those installed on your computer. I'll be using an Apple computer for this demo, but the Adobe Reader software is available for PC or Mac. So let's go ahead and make sure we have the latest version of Adobe Reader installed. The easiest way to get the latest version of Adobe Reader is to go to your internet browser and type in get.adobe.com/reader. You'll just need to press the install button here and follow the instructions for installation. The other thing you'll need to have installed is the latest version of Adobe's Flash Player. Similarly, just open up your browser and go to get.adobe.com/Flash Player. Once we're happy that we have the latest versions of Adobe Reader and Adobe Flash Player installed, we're ready to start working with the template. Once you've received your template, all you need to do is right-click and open with Adobe Reader. Now the first thing we see is the welcome message. There's some advice here for best practice creation of a safety management system. I'm just going to go right ahead and close that window and get started with the safety management documents. And here we are with the first document in the template system, which is a quick start guide. To view it, just double-click. Now you should read this, but I'm going to go ahead and close it. As you can see at the bottom here, there are a number of other documents included in the template. If we navigate using the left and right arrows, you'll see the next document available is the Safety Management System template itself. Now this is the main Safety Management System document, so I'll come back to the other documents in the system a little bit later. First we'll look at navigating and customizing this main Safety Management System document. To begin working with the document, just double-click it with your mouse, and to edit it, we'll need to open the file for editing at the top right here. And there it is, opened in a new window. I'm going to switch off this right sidebar tools window by clicking Fill and Sign in the top right, as we don't need to use these tools. As you can see, the template will have your company or vessel name populated throughout the document already, that we can see here on the title page, which will save you time. To navigate the document, you can use your mouse scroll wheel, or you can use the page scroller on the right here. Also, because the template is divided into 7 sections, you can use the bookmarks in the left sidebar index to quick jump through the document, which I'll do now. So we have an index page where all the sections are color-coded. I'll next navigate to the bookmark for section 1 of the template, which is the introduction. Similarly, I'll now click the bookmark for section 2, Safety and Environmental Policy. You should typically start at the beginning of the template and work through the document from the first page to the last. So let's go back to section 1. As you go through the pages, you'll customize the template with information about your vessel and operations. Where you see the information icon, you can click for some guidance. On page 2 of section 1 here, for example, I can enter all the details of my vessel. It's pretty self-evident what information you put in these fields. For example, let's add in the vessel name, and perhaps the area of operation. Now you're quite likely going to want to add additional information at the end of each section of the template. These could be safety procedures you have in place, or perhaps more detailed information about your vessel. So that's not a problem. You can go right ahead and add an extra page, or as many blank pages as you need. Similarly, you can delete any extra pages that you don't require. Okay, so after you've worked through sections 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, you'll come to section 7, which is the section for all your safety procedures, and it's a little bit different. Now there's only one page in section 7 and an index page to start with, but what we're going to do is make some decisions about which safety procedures are relevant to our operation. And once we've chosen these, we're going to add blank pages to either draft or migrate in existing procedures from other places like Word documents if we need to. To add in these pre-drafted procedures from section 7, you just have to select Add in Procedures from the bookmarks on the left here, and then go through each procedure, clicking the green Add button to generate it in your SMS. So let's select the first one. You only have to click it once, and as you can see, it appears below the current page. So let's take another one. Let's take bar crossing. And as you can see, it's added on the next page. If you add a procedure accidentally, that's okay. Just delete the procedure and it's gone. Unless you want to add it back again, in which case just repeat the same process from the section 7 index page here. If you want to draft a new procedure or copy a new procedure you already have written, just create a blank page and start writing your safety procedure. To copy in a procedure from an existing text document you have already written, simply add a blank page, copy the text from your existing document, and paste the text into the new page. As you can see, all the sections work in the same way. They all have pre-written essential information that you can customize with the options to add additional pages. We have section 8, which contains all of your emergency preparedness information, and section 8 contains a lot of safety reference material that you could, if you wanted to, print individually and laminate for use aboard your vessel. Section 9, reports and analysis of non-conformities. Section 10, maintenance of vessel and equipment. Section 11, documentation, and Section 12, a checklist for reviewing the safety management system. When you have finished working on the document, just save it by going to the menu and selecting File, Save. You can either print it or go right ahead and close it. Let's close it now. So let's take a look at some of the other documents and functionality in the safety management system. Click the right arrow to navigate to the next folder. This folder contains a selection of sample risk registers you can use or customize as you need. Double-click to enter the folder, and double-click a document to view it, or to use it, use the Open File command to edit it. Just click Home in the top right corner to go back to the original list of files. The next folder contains a number of permits to work. These are all interactive in the same way as the safety management template. Let's go home again and take a look inside the next folder, which contains a number of safety management checklists, which can be filled in electronically or extracted and used on a tablet running Adobe Reader, or indeed they can be printed for use. Let's go home again and then look at the last document, which is a safety management flip chart. You can fill in and print the flip chart out for use on your vessel. This is a reference guide only and not a full safety management system, but it can be helpful to keep aboard and used as an overview of your safety management procedures. Finally, you can view all the documents in the system as a list if you prefer. Or if you want to extract any of the documents to a location on your computer, you can do this too by clicking the down arrow icon to the right of any document or folder, and then choose a location to extract the document or folder to. So that's an overview of version 6 of the Safety Management System template. If you have any questions, you can contact Ocean Time Marine at the website www.oceantimemarine.com, and we hope you enjoy working with our safety system template.